Nursing colleagues, as our communities experience an increase in hospitalized COVID cases across the state and on a national level, we are proactively planning to lead through the continued uncertainty we face. I want to take this time to acknowledge and thank every nurse, and especially those who have been caring for COVID patients over the past 9 months. The dedication and commitment of nursing care delivery and excellence are vivid and the epitome of the Year of the Nurse. Thank you. As we enter into the next phase of the COVID pandemic and winter surge, it will be important for all of us to be prepared to support nursing care delivery during this time. Our call to action is all hands on deck. At Vidant Medical Center, we have a unique opportunity to support each other differently, capitalizing on the collective wisdom of all nurses. Your Chief Nurse Executive put forth a call to action to Vidant Medical Center nurses that currently serve in and support nursing care delivery in non-clinical roles. So many of you have answered the call, and for that we say thank you. You've taken advantage of the development offerings, signed up in flex work, and are ready to support clinical care during winter and surge capacity. We are positioned to mobilize in December and understand that this support may continue over the next few months. All hands on deck gives every nurse the opportunity to stand in solidarity in caring for the citizens of Eastern North Carolina during this time when we are needed most. This call infuses the Vidant Health Nursing Professional Practice Model and is symbolic of nurses navigating uncharted waters together.